Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about the Python keyword and identifier.
Forever Studio.
And okay, let's get started together. And the first thing is, what is keyword in Python language? So Python language keyword is a word in Python. So you cannot use it for a variable name on when we create a variable. And another thing is it gets sensitive. So as you know, we cannot use a keyword as a variable name, function name, or any other identifier. So they are used to define the syntax and structure of Python language. Yeah, in Python language, keyword are case sensitive. And the next thing is there are 33 keywords in Python 3.7. That is, the number can vary slightly over the course of the time. And all the keywords except true, for, and none in lowercase. And they must be written as they are. And here is the list of the keyword. As you can see, there are many of them that we cannot use to create a variable name. Okay, as you can see, you can check all the meaning of the keyword in below link in the video description, so you can find out all this keyword meaning. For example, for, await, import, and pass. What does it mean and how they use for that program? Okay, let's go ahead to identifier. So what is identifier in Python language? As you can see, an identifier is a name then given to entity like class, function, variable, and extra. It helps to differentiate one entity from the other. Okay, so you know, identifier, it helps in other language. If you used to learn other language, you will kind of remember about it. So yeah, so the next thing is the rule of identifier. So the first rule, that we can create the identifier by using letter A to Z, or uppercase letter A to Z uppercase, or digit 0 to 9, and underscore. The second rule is we cannot use a digit, like start a digit before the name or your identifier. For example, as you can see, 0x is invalid, so we cannot use 0x for the identifier name. So the third thing is we can use the keyword as identifier. We mentioned in previous minutes that we cannot use all this kind of keyword for any identifier name or variable name. So we understand. And the fourth is we can't use special symbol like information mark or at or this kind of symbol for the identifier name and the other special character, so we cannot use it. And the last thing is right here, can any lines. What does it mean? This means that identifier can be any range. We can create 10 character or 12 character as you want, so it is the valid name. So I hope you understand about the rule of identifier. So what you need to remember that Python language is a case-sensitive language. So this means x name, variable name, and lowercase x name and not the same. As you can see, this is the x uppercase is different from the x lowercase. That means this is two variables different. Okay, I hope you like this video, and thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share you like this video, and see you in the next video. Comment below if you have any idea or any suggestions. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.
IKH4Ever Studio www.ikh4ever.com